Hello everyone, this is Resilience Coach Jean Morrison with DIY Resilience, and this is Resilience Time. It's time to get ready for a healthy dose of brain rest. You need brain rest to support your DIY self-care plan. About 17 minutes of rest for every 52 minutes you work for optimum performance. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to be notified of new DIY resilience tips, trainings, updates, and live events. Now, I invite you to lay down or sit comfortably and take up as much space as possible. Send a message to your brain that you matter. Close your eyes or focus on your screen and breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Invite your attention to the energy that exists between you and all that supports you. Is it red and strong, or blue and gentle, yet ready to help you meet all challenges ahead? Does that energy keep moving back and forth between your body and what supports you, or is it all around your body and mind now? Energy is all around and inside you, now and now, assisting you through your day of interest and on to better days ahead. When you give your energy to the world returns energy to you. It may be energy in a different form than given, but don't give up. Dream big, fight hard, fail and keep going, believing that the mountaintop you want to reach is just over the next hill. Dream big, regardless of what didn't work before, or because of what didn't work before. Focus on your plan for the moment. Keep trying and become wiser. Focus on what is good now and your future possibilities, and keep moving forward. Always forward. Dream big and imagine going anywhere your heart desires. Your body-mind will thank you for that satisfaction that comes from always moving forward. Always try your best to be you in the face of challenge, being okay to be imperfectly you, being okay to ask for help. No one gets anywhere alone. Invite your curious mind to find solutions, not only for yourself, but for the benefit of all around you. Will it be your brains, your talent, or your simple, unmoving determination that helps you change the world? Einstein or not, your brilliance and kindness as you is beautiful and needed for a better world, filled with your love and kindness. Will your love and kindness contribute to a better world? Be open to these possibilities. Breathe new life into the world with every breath. Change the world through your embrace of positive change. Hope and actively contribute to truth, and contribute to positivity to overcome negativity and injustice. Promote happiness and peace equity, and fairness to overcome confusion and unnecessary division. Do these things, save the planet, and bring hope to future generations. Everything is going to be okay. Everything is okay when your love is felt in the world. So breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now you can deepen your brain rest into a deeper natural contemplation, or get back to the rest of your day. Remember to stop and label emotions, look and define them, then go and return to rest as soon as possible. Breathe and be DIY resilient as you creatively resolve all your daily challenges, big and small, with your support team. After all, no one does resilience alone. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, isolated, and in need of a fresh start, join our private Resilient Connection group. The link is in the video description below. I'll see you in the room.